Hi, I am here today to talk about my diet and my weight loss. I just started on a diet that I was weighing 135, and for me, at 5'3", I think 135 pounds was just too much for me, and my clothes didn't fit right, and I didn't feel very good. Even though I have a very active job, I'm on my feet. I work in retail, so I'm on my feet for 8 hours a day. And I do go to the gym once or twice a week to get my weight-bearing weights in. So, but I am on a diet, and I was 135, and it's been 6 days, and now I am 129. So, but I've been doing it on a bone broth diet. By the way, I wanted to let you know my name is Debbie. People at work call me Debbie Deb, and I am doing the bone broth diet, but not strictly bone broth because I can't go 3 or 4 days just on bone broth. So I just wanted to let you know how I'm doing on my diet, that I'm doing without any sugar, or just very little sugar. So because I was really addicted to sugar, I was eating cake and cupcakes every night, and ice cream. It was just a little bit too much, and I did gain my weight, and I kept on eating it, and I wouldn't weigh myself because I knew I was gaining weight. But you know how that goes. You pretty much have to go cold turkey with this sugar and just quit the sugar and the bread and the carbs, and just have protein. So hopefully I can lose some weight. Maybe 20 pounds would be nice, because I was 135 and now I'm 129. And 6 days ago, in my age, I think I told you that I'm 66 years old. So I'm in good physical shape. My health is very good. And so I feel like I'm 66 years young. So I don't really feel my age. And I'm not retired. I do work in retail. And I just wanted to let you know how my diet is going. And I'm going to continue to let you know how I'm doing and what I'm using. And actually, what I am using is the bone broth. It's bone broth. It's not regular just broth that you use in your soups. You know what I mean? But it's bone broth because it has a lot of protein in it. And the one that I get is called Kettle Fire. Actually, I got it at Costco, and it's a little bit less expensive at Costco, so that's where I buy it at. The price is pretty pricey anyways, so even at Costco it's pricey, but it's working and it tastes very good. But it's in a very small container, and you get like what is it, 16.9 ounces of it. But it's good, it's very good. But so I just don't, I'll just drink this. I also, because it's expensive, I also combine it with the Kirkland brand that you get at Costco. I'm not being anything about, I'm just a consumer, talking about Costco. So I do take the Kirkland bone broth. It's very good. I want to make it clearly, I'm not doing anything for Costco. I am just buying my products there. So yeah, so anyways, but the Kirkland bone broth is quite good too, but it's not as good as Kettle Fire. And you can get the Kettle Fire anywhere, like at other stores, Whole Foods, probably Amazon, Walmart. It's just a little bit more expensive. And I also do the Kirkland bone broth. All right, but I'm just not doing the bone broth diet all by itself. I'm also adding in at least one protein bar. It's the Simply Fuel protein balls, and they're quite good. It gives you a little bit of a treat, instead of just doing just bone broth. So I've been doing that too during my lunch. I take 2 thermoses to work, one filled with the bone broth, the beef, the kettle fire, and the other one with the Kirkland. And then I have one of these. So that seems to be working out good. And actually I do have a bone broth right now for my breakfast. Also, what I do when I come home from work, as I'm there, on my feet for 8 hours, and I'm kind of hungry, so I do have some bone broth while I'm making my dinner. And what my dinner consists of is sauteed mushrooms, sauteed spinach, and 2 eggs over easy. And I might add some variations to that, and I'll let you know in a later video what they are and how my weight is doing, but that seems to be quite nice. And since I do have such a high cravings for sugar at nighttime after I eat my dinner, instead of having my protein shake, say like in the middle of the day for a snack at work, to get me through the day, I've been doing it at nighttime because it is chocolate. And it's very clean, this whey protein powder. It has a lot of amino acids. It is from Levels. I just want to let you know what the name of it is. I buy it on Costco.com. And I think it's quite nice. It's chocolate. They do have vanilla. And so I take that for my dessert instead of going and getting 2 slices of cake or 4 cupcakes. It's just getting pretty bad. That's how I gain on my weight. And also with my shake, I take the collagen peptides, which is very good. So I'm not endorsing any of these things. I'm just telling you what I'm taking so that you'll know, just what I'm doing. So I just want to let you know, and I will let you know how I'm doing on my diet, see how much weight I'll be losing. So that will be kind of fun, a little fun journey. So thank you very much. Once again, my name is Debbie. People at work call me Debbie Deb. So thank you so much, and I will be in touch. Okay, have a great day.